Abject means most miserable, most unfortunate, very poor. Let's say people who are living in an abject poverty. It means they're living to the lowest possible poverty level. They can't even think of having food 3 times a day. Okay? So abject poverty refers to that sort of, a poverty level. That is to the lowest of the lows. Now, if a person gets to be an abject person, what happens? It refers to a person who feels to be completely valueless. Therefore, he behaves in a way that shows that he is completely inferior to the other ones. Let's say if I'm talking to someone and talking in such a way that I am nothing, that person is everything. This much understanding basically this word gives us. Alright, so don't need to be an abject personality. Alright, just get to be who you are. Simple. This is how it goes basically. So abject is all about most unfortunate ones, most miserable ones, or very poor ones. Right? If I am an abject person, it means my attitude, my behavior, my manner would be all done in such a way that it would be expressing that I am nothing, and the rest is superior. Hope you have got to have an understanding. If not, do come with your comments. All right, hope you got to have this whole video pretty meaningful, pretty useful. If so, if possible, if you are new to this channel, if possible, if you think it would be better for your friends, do share this video with your friends and get this shared on your timeline as well, so that whenever you get to have time, you could review this whole video and get through these words. All right, and nothing else. This high time for me to sign off. Therefore, RH signing off for now. Hope to see you on one of these words. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, and get to be pretty curious about my next video. Thank you so much. That's all.